Alright guys, I have the 2023 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. I'm just driving it right now, and then I'm gonna give you my honest review about the Hunter 350. If you're a new rider, since I'm a new rider, I'm ready to upgrade to higher CC, because this one is a little bit slow for me, and then I already outgrown this Hunter 350 Royal Enfield. So I'm gonna show you some other things that, you know, the weakness, and then other, you know, bad traits about this Hunter 350. Let's go. Alright guys, so I have my Hunter 350 right here. So I'm gonna tell you the other things about this one. It's kinda, for me, it's kinda, if you're a new beginner, it's a really good budget motorcycle. But like after a few months, let's say after 3 months, you're gonna outgrown the motorcycle already, because, you know, it's easy to ride, and also you learn, you know, quick with this motorcycle. But the only problem with this is it's kind of slow for me. So max on the freeway probably like 60, 65, and then once you go downhill on the freeway, it will go like 75, and that's it. And also the other bad review for this, honestly, for having this for about like more than 5 months now. I'm gonna show it to you. So here's the bike. It's a really small bike right here. I already get the accessories, the engine guard, and also this one right here, the sump guard for Royal Enfield. 350 cc as the model over here. I drill a lot of holes because I put like the K&N air filter. It'll make difference on the acceleration on the mid-range. So if you go like second, third, and fourth gears, still give you the torque. And also a lot of reviews that I seen and I hear, looks like it's still like upright. It's not really lean on the side because the kickstand right here are really low. That is the biggest problem with this Hunter 350. So this one I already dropped a couple of times, and then once you dropped it, this one is gonna be broken, the clutch lever. I already broke twice. I already ordered the parts, and the problem with this, if you order it, it's gonna take let's say the worst is about a month to get the parts, because it's special order, and then they have to get it from some of their, you know, parts hub, or the worst is India, because this one Royal Enfield are made in India. If you're a new rider, I rather, you know, tell you to go to like Interceptor 350 if you really like the brand Royal Enfield, because you don't have to upgrade right away, because this one 350cc you will outgrown right away. But the 650 you will gonna enjoy. I only ride once on the freeway. I enjoyed it, but for me, if I outgrown the 650 Interceptor Royal Enfield, I might look for another one. So I'm ready to upgrade. I'm thinking if I'm gonna get the Interceptor 650 or the Triumph Bonneville 900. For that, the other problem with this is if you're gonna go uphill, you had to lower down, like, you know, to downshift, because the torque, it will gonna go down, and then the speed is gonna go down. Especially for me, I'm a big guy, so if you're gonna go uphill, you have to get to either third gear or fourth gear. You cannot go fifth gear because it will gonna lower down the speed. Um, for the price range, it's really a good price range. So for this Rebel Black, it ran for $42.99 with a discount, because I have $500 discount. I get it around like $36.99. For that price, you cannot beat it, to be honest with you. $3,600 plus the paperwork. Or if you are a new M1 riders, or you just get your M1, I'd rather just use one of this. Or you can go with the Yamaha MT-03. It's much faster than this. And then the break-in period is around like 700 miles. Or I think 300 or 700. I forgot. It's easy. You can do your first break-in service. I just did an oil change, but I never tried to adjust the valves or the tappet. The other thing about this is it's a very short one. You cannot, you cannot put, other rider on the back, because here in the U.S. it's gonna be more slower. I mean, in Asia, you can have a back rider on the back of the seat, but other than that, it's gonna be slower. You can also upgrade with a K&N. You can get it from AutoZone or O'Reilly's. For this one, for the K&N, it's around like $40 or $50. Because if you're gonna upgrade to DNA air filter, it's all the same. It's all the same thing. For this, let's see, we're gonna get it. And for this, I always get the check engine, because one of the owner of the dealership, they told me never ever overfill the gas for this, because if you do, you're gonna have a check engine. Now earlier I have check engine, I think it's already recycled the system, so it just like clear the check engine, so now there's no check engine. So the sound, let me get you the sound. So basically from here, let me turn up again. So here, when it's stuck, it's just like, you have like the baffle. So it still has the baffle from the inside, if you guys can see it. So basically I bore it down, I drill it from there, so you can get more of the sound. So it's more like, pump it sound. And after, like after fire sound. But, I said to myself, later on I'm gonna upgrade. I don't want it to get the muffler, because those are like $300-$400 online. So what I do, I just like drill it like this. Maybe some of you guys might like this one. Okay, so I'm going to start it for you guys to see what's the sound. And then the other thing I like this one, when they do this one on here, the decals. And also you can upgrade the parking light right here, or I guess the daylight running. You can put it the LED, and you can upgrade to LED light bulb too. Here's what it looks like with the silver engine guard from the bottom right here. I really like the silver, because there's two color. There's the black and then the silver, because I wanted to match the silver, and then it looks perfect. So this is what it looks like. So I seen some of like lower prices online. Some of them they run like three asking 3K. Or if you had the money, you can bargain the price too. If you're the new rider, start with this and then upgrade later on. And for the controls, let's see. Let me start it again. So this is where you like, the passing, and then high beam. Let's see. You're on the pass, high beam, and then the turn signal is right here. Right side. And then flasher. So from Triumph, I seen it's automatic, but here you had to, press it in. And this is where the flasher. You can upgrade this one too with a LED, but I like the amber lights. Okay, so the other problem with this is the side mirror. I seen a lot of bad review with the side mirror because they get loose with this one. Either the both side, either the right side or the left side, often get loose. I guess the lock nut from here, it gets like that. And also the vibration, because it's a single cylinder, you have a lot of vibration when you go down to the freeway. So if you don't tight this one really good, it will always like come loose. Once you drive around the street or the freeway, they will like swing this one, and both sides will swing it if it's not like really tight. That's the other problem with this. Let's see what else. Like I said earlier, it's a short motorcycle because it's only like 350cc, and it's really good for the new rider out there. So you have more bang for your buck if you're really new riders. But once you outgrown this one, you're gonna upgrade. Probably max is like 4 months, 3 months, or like 3 months to 5 months, you're ready to upgrade to higher cc. So these are the really good base small platform for you guys. So yeah, let's see what else. I think that's it for me. And then accessories, you have a lot of accessories with this one. You can have the saddle from here, from Royal Enfield or other Hitchcock or other online out there. But yeah, it's a nice bike, but for me it's a smaller now. It become more slow, so I'm ready to upgrade. So check engine. So the sound, let me get you the sound. So basically from here, let me turn up again. So here, when it's stuck, it's just like you have like the baffle. So it still has the baffle from the inside, if you guys can see it. So basically I bore it down, I drill it from there so you can get more of the sound. So it's more like pump it sound, and after like after fire sound. But I said to myself, later on I'm gonna upgrade. I don't want it to get the muffler because those are like $300-$400 online. So what I do, I just like drill it like this. Maybe some of you guys might like this one. Okay, so I'm going to start it for you guys to see what's the sound. And then the other thing I like this one, when they do this one on here, the decals. And also you can upgrade the parking light right here, or I guess the the daylight running. You can put it the LED, and you can upgrade to LED light bulb too. Here's what it looks like with the silver engine guard from the bottom right here. I really like the silver because there's two color. There's the black and then the silver, because I wanted to match the silver, and then it looks perfect. So this is what it looks like. So I seen some of like lower prices online. Some of them they run like asking 3K, or if you had the money you can bargain the price too. If you're the new rider, start with this and then upgrade later on. And for the controls, hopefully my review for you guys for this motorcycle, I know it's not a car, but I think, hey, maybe why not like put like review for a motorcycle. So for really honest review for out there, for the guys who wanted to enter for motorcycle and wanted to learn, this is really a good base platform for new riders with 350cc. And also you can bring this one for schooling. If you're gonna go for like motorcycle school, you can use your motorcycle. This is really safe one and it will pass the test. So alright guys, thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like it, just go with a subscribe, like the post and stuff like that. So let me know. Alright guys, thanks.